Amitabh Bachchan's chart, 3 p.m. time, as he spoke in BBC interview in 1980s. So the Ayanamsha for this should be Har Gauri Vakkyam. Okay, I have said this. I mean, you can change this from what you call preferences in the calculations part. You can change that. Okay, there it is. You can do custom also. This is the new release. So see Har Gauri Vakhyam. This is the Ayanamsha you will use here. Okay, otherwise these are the typical you already know about it. Okay, so when you want to see the Nadi Amshas, that is D150 as popularly called these days. So you click here, but it is totally different type of you know Nadi Amsha. Okay, so there are two options. I will come to that in a moment. The default is Siddhar's Nadi Amsha. This is from the traditional Siddhars, the you can say the people who knew beyond the physical reality. This is a term used in southern India. Uh, so this Siddhar's Nadi Amsha. If you don't have that, then you don't have this chart. Simple as that. Okay. So this is the normal table of the planets. So I've provided this here so that you can, see it in the same window when you scroll down, which I'll explain. So you can see it here itself. We don't have to go back to the previous main page. Okay. So this is the same, nothing new happening here. Okay. So coming to this is what you will come here for. Okay. Uh, every planet, it goes to which 150th Varga, I should say Amsha of a Rashi, 30-degree Rashi. So every planet is in some 150th division. These are the names of those Nadi Amshas as per the Siddhar's Nadi Amsha, the traditional. Okay. And these are the signs. This is something you won't get anywhere, not at least in any kind of uh, something which has a strong traditional basis. So these are the signs. These are the sign lords. Nothing new here about the sign lordship. This is what is new. Okay, the Rashi. And the first half or second half, Purvarth is the first half, Uttararth second half. So this is what it is. So within that, let's say if it is 12, which happens for uh, equal arc amshas, that is the Chandra Kalamsha. It operates in the daytime. Yes, when sun is out, Chandra Kalamsha operates. When sun is not there, moon is there, then suns, that is Surya Kalamsha operates. So Surya Kalamsha are unequal arcs. So those are not exactly 12 minutes of space, but Chandra Kalamsha, each one of them is 12 minutes of space because he was born at 3 p.m., but that is in the daytime before sunset. All right, so sunset, sunrise, that is also your matter of choice. I have put this as default, you can just put here. Usually, it won't make much difference unless someone is born on borderline, around 6 p.m. So, fixed is 6 a.m., 6 p.m. This, I believe, is more popular traditionally. But then if we have a software where we can do this, so I have provided this option. Okay, so now similarly for you can say the Bhav Madhya as per the Siddhar's Nadi system, the exact ascendant degree, the exact degree of ascendant, 3 degree 9 minutes in Aquarius. So in the next sign in Pisces, 3 degree 9 minutes, exactly same longitude, you will get second houses. What do you call that Nadi Amsha? Okay. So, uh, you can associate a sign as well as its lord with that point also for all the 12 houses. And, whether it is first or second of the information is also there. And which nakshatra and pada has it fallen, and who is the lord of nakshatra is as per the Vinchotri, but this system follows the same. So, I've given it here. So, sources very clearly. For the Siddhar, the one I've shown you, it's from traditional Maha-Siva Vakkyam. Okay, this is the traditional Nadi Amsha in mostly in southern India, Tamil Nadu and Kerala, elsewhere also. But yeah, those are the places you would go to find more about them. Then Deva Keralam, which I'm yet to show. Okay, that is from the translations which are already in public domain. Santanam Ji and the book of C.S. Patel, and also Colonel Rajkumar has written a book on translation of this Dev Keralam. Okay, so if I click this, remember this chart belongs to Siddharth's Nadi Amsha. If you don't have Siddharth's Nadi Amsha, this chart that I'm showing, you don't have it. You may draw any other chart, but this chart, because it shows uh, that the ascendant, the rising sign is in what you call this rising sign from the Rashi falls in Pisces, Meena. But that is because ascendant, where it is. Sorry, I changed it here, right? So I should go back there. So here. So ascendant, Kadali, Pisces. This is only possible in Siddharth. As you saw when I went to the other one, that goes away. You don't have anything. You don't have any sign or planets. You see that in Dev Kerala? Okay. So here it is. So there is no Bhav Madhya concept here because you don't have any sign. As per this, in public domain, what is there in Deva Keralam, this is what it is. Okay, if someone wants to be, exactly as per the available classical text, which is in written form, this is what it is. So you have the Nadi Amshas as per Dev Kerala in Santanam Ji's and also C.S. Patel Ji's and Colonel Rajkumar Ji's. There is hardly any serious difference in the naming. Okay, so this you can do Purvad Uttarad. Although C.S. Patel has also mentioned that Purvad Uttarad probably applies to moons, nakshatra, you know, longitude. I mean, how much it has proceeded within that nakshatra, sorry, Navamsha. But you can use that if you want to, okay, and ignore this if you don't want this one here. So this is what it is in Dev Keralam. So Siddharth Nadi Amsha, this gives you the Rashis. So if you have the Rashis, only then you can draw any kind of uh, 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 ascendant, rising signs, bifurcations. You can do only then. Signs are possible only in Siddharth Nadi. Okay, so that's about it in this recording. Thank you.